All right, so our daily math review number 1. So similar to what we've seen before, we're going to find the surface area of the net figure or pictured below. So we have a triangular prism here, and the triangular prism, when you unfold it, you've got two triangles as the top and the bottom, and as both of the bases. And you have some rectangles that fold together to create this, or when you unfold, you create a net. Now, to find the surface area, meaning what is on the outside or what you wrap, kind of like a Christmas present, if you wrap a present or something, the surface area is the area around it, on the outside of the face, the surface of it. So let's find the area of all of these figures, and then we'll add them together. So the first one, I know that the area of a rectangle is going to be that base times that height. Well, I don't know what this length times width. So I don't know what this length is. We know that the side is 11, but this side, when it folds up, it will fold up and match this side. So that will be 4. It will fold up and it'll match that 4. So we have 4 times 11 here, which will be 44. The next one, we're going to have that 3 times 11, which is going to be 33. Then we'll have 11 times, well, what is this going to fold up to be? Oh, it'll fold up to that 5. So 11 times 5 is 55. Now, when we have that, the area of a triangle, remember, is base times height and then divided by 2. So the area of that triangle, I'll put it in purple. The area of that triangle is base times height, and then you divide that by 2. So our base and our height connected by that right angle, 3 times 4, and then you divide that by 2. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Divide that by 2, and you get 6. So the area of this triangle is 6. This is also the same area. It's the same triangle on the bottom. Now when we add all of them up, if we add, let's see, if I add 55, 44, 33, and then I know 6 and 6 is 12. Let's add those, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So our answer is going to be 144, and it will be centimeters squared. So that's going to be the surface area of our figure. That's it. Great job.